Lesson 27, we're going to put all the different pieces together and we'll solve different types of percent problems throughout the lesson. We're going to start off with 3 different wordings of problems, and we need to determine whether we're looking for the percent, the whole, or the part. So in the first problem, it says 60% of 300. Clearly, we already know the percent. 60% of 300 suggests that 300 is the whole, so we must be looking then for the part. In the second problem, it says 60% of blank equals 300. We have the percentage, and 60% of a blank suggests that the blank is the whole. And finally, 60 out of 300 equals blank percent is very clear. We're looking for the percent. Now that we've determined what we're looking for, we can set up our equivalent fractions quite easily. 60% is 60 over 100. And we are looking for a part. So the numerator is the number that we're missing. Our whole is 300. So we'll put that in the denominator. And we can pretty easily see that 100 times 3 is 300, which means in our numerator, 60 times 3, which is 180, will tell us the part. 60% of 300 is 180. In the second problem, they have given us the 60% again, which goes in the numerator. And we're looking for the whole, so our part would be 300. Having set that up, we can see 60 over 100 is equal to 300, our part, over some missing number. Looking at 60 and 300, we can see that 60 times 5 equals 300. So we will multiply our denominator also by 5 and find that the whole is 500. And then in our final example, we have 60 out of 300, and we're looking for the percent. So our first fraction then would be 60 over 300, and our percent would be some number that we haven't determined yet over 100, because a percent is out of 100. Please don't forget, when you're looking for the percent, you are going to have 100 in the denominator, and you'll be looking for the numerator. Once we have that set up, we can see that 300 divided by 3 is 100. And so we will divide our numerator by 3 as well, and that will give us 20 over 100. 20 over 100 is the same as 20%. So then our final answer for that problem is 20%. Throughout the rest of Lesson 27 and Lesson 28, you'll be working in partners and small groups to solve the different parts that are missing. So I'll ask you to refer back to this video or Lesson 26 video that shows you in detail how to do diagrams as well as set up the equivalent fractions.